How to get a disabled Instagram account back. So if you want to get a disabled Instagram account back, then what you need to do is first you need to open up a browser. So I'll be here with a Chrome browser. You can choose any browser that you are comfortable with. And once you're here on the browser, you need to simply go for the search, and then you need to search for Instagram Help Center. And once you've searched for Instagram Help Center, you need to simply scroll down, and here you may find disabled Instagram account. But if you are not being able to find that disabled Instagram account, then you need to simply search for disabled Instagram account instead of Help Center. And here you will have disabled Instagram account. Simply search for that and then tap on that, and here you need to simply go for visit this page, and now choose my account was disabled, and then tap on next, and then choose why your account was disabled. So choose any reason and then tap on next again, and here you need to again scroll down and tap on no, tap on other, and here you will have this kind of page. So here what you need to write is I'm not being able to log into my Instagram account. I think my Instagram account has been disabled, so I don't know how to fix that, so please help me with that problem. And once you've entered that, you need to enter your username, your email address and mobile number that you have used to create your account, and tap on submit and submit your request. And once you've submitted, within 1 or 2 days your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can get a disabled Instagram account back. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.